Wash your face twice a day. Washing your face should not be compromised. No matter what, it helps get rid of impurities and grime. And by washing, we mean really lathering up with Pound's Pure Detox Anti Pollution Face Wash in the morning and at night. It is enriched with activate carbon that remove any traces of pollution damage. It also treats blemishes and dullness to make your skin look absolutely clean, flawless and radiant. Face wash. Wash face with cold water. A good way to dip off your face is to wash it with ice cold water. This will instantly tone your skin, making it look fresh and healthy, while tightening your pores and reducing the chances of blackheads and age. It can also slow down the sign of aging and smooth out wrinkles on your face. Massage your face. Facial massage is a natural way to relieve stress. This is an amazing beauty tip for face as it stimulates collagen production. It tightens the skin and lifts your facial muscles. It acts as an anti-aging treatment and gives you a youthful glow. Face massage also benefit inflamed skin condition like acne and rosacea. It increases blood flow and oxygen which is needed for healing. Plus, it helps expel toxins that are often responsible for breakouts. Drink water. Lack of hydration will show on your skin as it will make it appear dry, tight, and flaky. Dry skin is more prone to wrinkling as water is lost in large quantities every day. You need to replace it by drinking 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Water flushes out of toxins while also carrying nutrients to the cell. It also helps to reduce pimples, mark, and even delaying the aging process. Wear sunscreen. Although wearing sunscreen may seem like an added task, they show no immediate result. Using a sunscreen today will ensure that your skin thanks you 10 years later. Sunscreen protect your skin from harmful UV rays and prevent wrinkles, spot and skin cancer. While we understand sunscreen can be greasy, there are ones with lightweight formulas so that you do not have to feel icy. The sweat proof and waterproof. Lakme Sun Expert Tint Sunscreen SPF 50 has a natural finish so that it does not leave that dreaded white residue sunscreen are known for. On top of it, it absorbs 97% of UVB rays while moisturizing your skin. Use a face mask. Don't deprive yourself of the pampering of a face mask for some Netflix in your free time. Even a DIY face mask is an easy and instant way to achieve healthy skin, like a papaya mask for glowing skin or a turmeric mask for acne. If you don't have time, you can